Coming back to CryptoQ Media channel is an absolute delight. Everyone, the tokenized bull run on XRP has officially begun, with Ripple in the forefront and the floodgates opened. This is going to be covered, and I am ecstatic. I wish the channel much success to all of you. Hi there, I'm Nick, and I'm really hoping that you'll be all subscribed and ready to join us on this trip by the time you view this video. Tokenization, particularly its scalability and implementation through distributed ledger technology, DLT, has been the subject of several articles published by Rulime. Additionally, the XRP ledger excels in this area. All of Ripple's documentation for XRP and XRPL has shown this to be correct. The tokenization market might reach $20 trillion by 2030, according to a report 2 weeks ago. So far, have you found any interesting predictions about tokenization? From 10 trillion to 16 trillion, it quickly grew. 20 trillion presently. The outcome is that I spend a lot of time thinking about it. Additionally, I do not believe they understand the scope of the financial windfall that will accompany tokenization. That they will come to terms with it is my opinion. I think it will be difficult for them to make that kind of forecast because there are so many unknowns, including how much money will really be flowing into the region in the next 6 years, by 2030. It has gone unnoticed. It is very evident that the token's value will not be in the trillions when we take into account the statements made by the BIS and other key stakeholders. BlackRock has grand ambitions for tokenization and this technology. Thus it's unrealistic to expect its worth to be in the trillions. Could this sector attract investments of $1 trillion by the year 2030? No. Truthfully, I think the market might easily achieve a valuation of $50 to $100 trillion by 2030. By transfer, we don't only mean the movement of tokenized assets within this market. There is going to be a tipping point in the near future for app usage in the workplace, in my opinion. When they are released, a single major company having a platform with millions, if not hundreds of millions, of users is all that's needed to access DLT. Think about the consequences if, for example, tomorrow Amazon started utilizing DLT to finalize platform payments. What the hey? It's completely insane. That is certainly a possibility. I would love to see this come to fruition before 2030, because it is certainly within the realm of possibility. Aside from this, XRP Drops made a video a while back that involved Ripple's Catherine and the upcoming tokenization of rubies. The TradFi space is currently the epicenter of all the action. Digitalization, tokenization, and the reimagining of existing value chains are driving forces behind most of the action, which has attracted bigger corporations like Goldman Sachs and BlackRock Fidelity. It has the potential to reach a large audience and make a lot of money if these companies invest heavily in it. Everything will start flowing in that direction since digitalization, tokenization, and digitization are the core concepts of this new technological class. Please clarify this for me. Because it is happening at this same moment, we can watch it all unfold. I must admit, I find it quite interesting. Everything seems to have frozen in place because most of the discussions we're having right now happened a year or two ago. Looking back until approximately 2020, though, a lot of speculation surrounded this market. We can put our speculations to rest because it is occurring at this very moment. In fact, I am more fascinated by its paving of the way for price action than by the movement of prices themselves. My heart leaps for gladness at this. The DTCC is also at our disposal. You know what? I keep an eye on what the DTCC does with all those billions and quadrillions of money. Trades in securities worth quadrillions of dollars pass through the industry's most illustrious names every year, among them the DTCC. Remember that the same problems with transparency, inefficiency, failure, and slowness that affect cross-border payments also affect securities transactions. A speedy resolution is not possible. This is the main reason why securities transactions can be so chaotic. A total of $4 trillion has been accumulated. The DTCC is keen on collaborating with businesses in the industry to build a comprehensive ecosystem for digital assets. According to the worldwide chief of DTCC's digital assets, this is his personal view. The most straightforward aspect of tokenization is integrating it into existing financial systems. Now we're getting into some delicate territory, but remember that tokenized assets can't be profitable unless there's a market for them. This is especially important to consider the recent moves made by big names like BlackRock with Citadel in Texas and the new stock exchange. In my opinion, that is also one of their goals. In my view, they intend to build a tokenized stock exchange and a marketplace for tokenized assets as their stated objective. These alterations are only now starting to show. The XRP ledger is set to release its gold and silver tokens in the third quarter. These tokens bring together the world's oldest form of money with the security, practicality, and user-friendliness of the XRP ledger, all while utilizing molten gold. The first thing that pushed them was Elgrand has it, and the XRPL multi-chain is going to have it soon. There is a lot of intriguing information that we have to read over, so XR plays. Tokenization on a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain known for reliability and stability, asset exchange between crypto-native and real-world assets, and connection with the XRP ledger are what will cause gold launch to melt. Scalable, efficient, and secure financial services can be powered by the XRP ledger thanks to its built-in features and institutional-grade capabilities. By combining the world's oldest currency with the added security, convenience, and accessibility of PL, the Melted Gold team will keep pushing physical RWC innovation into the future of many chains. The XR Place will launch its gold and silver tokens in the third quarter. The news is heartening. Joining the Algorand and XRP ledgers as the second blockchain is a major step towards giving people unmatched access to precious metals using cutting-edge technology. Incredible as it is, the best part is that it confirms what we already knew. To Good Morning Crypto, we owe a great debt for introducing Ripple. The president has stated that XRP has no competition with the USD stablecoin. It will be crucial to have a highly efficient intermediary asset to make any pair liquid in the future as new types of assets are tokenized and added to the chain. XRP is meant to serve as this bridge currency. What do you think? That is the end of the video. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe and like my channel. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.